What is happening, YouTube? It is Andrew here again from XGN. There we go. Focus the camera. And I am back again. And today we have another very cool review for you. This is the 1/18 scale Bugatti Chiron by Bburago. So first off, we'll take a look up at the front here. And the front looks pretty nice. Actually, it's pretty good detail. One thing I really enjoy, if the camera will focus, there we go, is the headlamps for this car. Now, the headlamps usually, like, when you have like a Maze or Bburago or, you know, Motor Max, like a lower cost, like a more, like I said, like a lower cost vehicle, the headlamps aren't very detailed. You can usually see the pegs where they insert them into the car, but for this one, it actually looks very nice and very realistic if the camera will focus. Can't get it to focus today, but let's see if I zoom out a little bit here. Sorry, this is going to have a shaky camera, but there we go. So as you can see, the headlamps have quite a bit of detail in them. There's some chrome bits in there. It almost has like a like the glass looks very realistic because they're separate pieces, which is a very nice touch by Bburago, and I really hope they continue that for other cars. Also, the Bugatti logo on the front is very detailed. It's kind of hard to see with the camera, but it looks very nice in real life. But one thing that obviously, I mean, you know, since it's a like a budget model, it does not have like accurate grills or anything, so it's, you know, it's closed off. But that's not really anything to complain about on this model, since the price was about 40 bucks. Also up here they have a bit of carbon fiber accents, and that's a little piece of dust. But they have carbon fiber accents, which look pretty accurate. They almost look like it's raw carbon fiber. So that's pretty cool. Then if we open the trunk here, maybe if we open the trunk, let's try that again. If we open the trunk, you can see that, I mean, it's not that detailed. There's just, you know, the classic, like, plastic kind of just bay that you would expect to find in a model like this. However, it does look very nice, and props to them for even including it in there, so I like that. Also, the side profile here I want to talk about real quick. So, first off, I really like how they did the two-tone paint job. That looks very nice, actually. The blue in real life, the dark blue, the Bugatti dark blue, is extremely metallic, and it just looks absolutely stellar. And I'm very glad that they put it in a model like this. The light blue is just a gloss. However, it does also look actually quite spectacular. It's a very nice kind of, like, it's a coat, like a Côte d'Azur blue, if that makes any sense. And so it looks really good, and I give them props for this paint job. I mean, it looks real nice. Also, if you see here, there's another little bit of carbon fiber by the petrol door. Unfortunately, it doesn't open, but again, it is a budget car, so it's pretty nice. And taking a look at the side view mirrors here, the side view mirrors are accurate, and they do have the mirror is as they should. So wing mirrors, thumbs up. Also, I'd like to mention that this door handle does, like, pop out, so you can pull it like that. So, I mean, if you want to. So that's pretty cool. And also we have to talk about these wheels. Now, these wheels are quite an improvement over regular Buragos, I'd say. They got a really nice chrome to them. It does look a little bit, like, extremely chromy, but, I mean, like, that didn't make any sense. It looks a little bit like it's almost like a fake chrome, but it does have the nice detail. You have the Bugatti logo in the center hub there. And also, I'd like to point out that, what is this? Oh, it's a hair stuck to the car. I'd like to point out that the brake disc actually rotates independently from the caliper, and the caliper stays in place. So props to them. It does it on both wheels, and there we go. That's that That's a good detail that we're looking for. Thank you, Bburago. Thank you. We really appreciate it as collectors. And obviously the wheels turn and gives you a good look there. So, actual engine